last technique is called slab building. This is for all of the perfectionists out there, which is me. With slab building, it's really nice because you're going to end up with something with really straight sides. That's generally really neat. You're just going to roll your piece of, so as the name would suggest, you're going to use a couple of slabs to construct your piece. So this is a good technique for stuff like vases or cups, dog bowls, pencil holders. I don't know who owns that many pencils, but I sure don't. You roll yourself out a slab, so try and keep it a rectangle, because once it becomes a square, you lose a whole heap of clay, and you don't get much size out of your piece. So then you want to cut yourself a couple of straight edges. Obviously, this first slab that we're making is going to be used for the walls of your piece. So I'm going to decide that that's my height, and this is going to be my width. Pretty much, that is not straight. You are going to just, we've not got very straight lines here, people. Don't judge me. Someone took the ruler away. Yeah, if you want to be real neat about this, you could grab a ruler, that might help, or anything with a straight edge. So curl your walls around, and then we're going to get the scratchy tool again and score here the same as you did with your coils. Add a little bit of slip, and then just press these together. So with our slab technique, we're going to then grab our kidney or whatever and smooth across this join. So now we're going across the join, and then we also want to do the inside. So we might do it with this tool. So make sure that you don't lie your piece down on the table like this, because then it has to support itself, and it will often crack through here because there's too much weight. So try and hold it in your hand and support it with your fingers a little bit. And that way you've got your palm there, so you're not going to make a hole on the other side. Right, once you have completely smoothed that join over, then you've made your walls. It's always a better idea to make your walls first, because it's way easier to then fit it onto your base, which we're going to do. We're just going to pop it on top of our other slab. So you're just rolling yourself out a second slab for your base. I didn't mention you want to keep your, I don't know what sort of thickness that is. You want to keep your base about this thick. I think it's like 1/2 centimeter.
Give or take.
Yeah. Keep your walls keep your slabs about that thick. All right, trace around your base. So yeah, we do our walls first, because then we can just trace around it and we get the exact right size. We don't have to bother figuring it out. And then we're just going to do the exact same thing. So score the top here. And the bottom here. Put the slip in between. Put this in like this. Cool. So you can cut your base exactly the same size. You don't need to leave any excess, because then you're going to get a nice neat join.